Here we are at Dixie Lee's garden in Fayetteville, Georgia. Her mature daylilies are gigantic. Oz's cowardly lion. South Georgia peaches. Look at the size of these clumps. The white one is Gentle Shepherd, oldie. Look at the size of this clump. Getting ready to bloom. Looks like orange velvet is what it looks like. Nice hydrangea, macrophylla. This old house. Pretty nice. There's another orange velvet. Really big. This is just one of several daylily spots on her property. There's a lucifer. Here's some of her seedlings. This is the one I like. Looks really good. And that's daylily spot number 1. Make note of this massive Japanese maple right here by her driveway. This thing's unbelievably huge. Big, fat, mature clumps everywhere. Swamp hibiscus back there. A lot of plants here were made by proliferations. Really nice. Some iris, some ground cover, ferns. Here's a nice indica azalea. There's some garden phlox. Hey, kitty. When I tell you guys this is the best daylily garden I've ever been to, it is. Here's the third daylily area. Big stuff. There's Heavenly Angel Ice. Looks really good. Look at that blueberry bush. I'm telling you, older established gardens are really nice. When you've been growing something for so many years, it's going to make an impression. Make note of the white crepe myrtles. Look at this huge evergreen clematis that needs trimming. But does it look good? Yes. Nice entrance. Time to trim, Dixie Lee. We got some ventricosa hostas. They love to reseed. These look pretty good. I forget what they call this twisty thing, but it's huge. Really big. And that leads me to this. This is a Georgia-grown Blue Angel hosta. Really nice. More mature clumps. She has a lot of older ones here. It's rained so much you're going to get those marks on the sepals. All right. Well, this is about 5.5 foot scape. Imagine me. Yo, this daylily garden is massive. All right, here's the last area. Tons of daylilies. We're definitely in peak season right now. Really nice. This one's got these marks on it. That's not how it looks, but it does look pretty cool. That tells you how much rain we've had. Tall scapes, looking good. Look at the creeping Jenny. Full sun. Alabaster echoes. That's pretty much it, guys. I can spend an hour out here filming this. Dixie Lee, Fayetteville, Georgia. Let's go see if there's anything else to look at. Kind of another cool old structure. Little pavilion out here. Huge staghorn fern, look at that. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this.